Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So we can discuss about the computer networks unit 1 today. So computer network. So a network is a set of devices often referred to as nodes connected by the communication link. A node can be a computer, printer or any other devices capable of sending and or receiving data generated by other nodes on the network. And a computer is a network is a set of computers connected together to share the resources. So software modules in one system are used to communicate with one or more software modules in the distant system. Such interfaces across a distance are termed as peer-to-peer interfaces. And then while we are talking about the local interfaces, we are calling it as the service interface, and the set of modules we are calling it as the protocol stacks. So basic network architecture. We all know that we are having a sender side and receiver side. So we are having the sender as well as we are having a receiver. So here we need to discuss about how the sender is being able to transmit the data or send the data from one location to the another location or from the sender side to the receiver side. So for this purpose, we need to make sure that our data is secured. So for making the data security, we are having the message and we are using protocols to embed these particular messages. So while we are using the protocols, we are making sure that our data will be secure to while it is reaching at the receiver side. And also we need to use a transmission medium. So there are different types of transmission medium, either a wired medium or a wireless medium. So we are having a sender, we are having a receiver, and then the message we are having. So we are using the message and we are attaching protocols to secure the message, and then we are using a transmission medium, either a wired medium or a wireless medium, to send the data. Then the basic parts of data communication. As we discussed, we are having a message. So a message is a piece of information that is to be transmitted from one person to another. So it could be a text, an audio file or a video file. And then we are having a sender. So it is simply a device that sends data messages. It can be a computer, mobile, telephone, laptop, video camera or a workstation. And then we are having the receiver. So it is a device that receives the message. It can be a computer, telephone, mobile, workstation, etc. And then coming to the transmission medium, the communication channel. So communication channels are the medium that connect two or more workstations. So workstations can be connected by either wired media or the wireless media. And we are having the protocol. So these are the set of the rules. So when someone sends the data, it should be understand, and then we are making sure that the data is not loose, and then the protocol will protect the data until it is reaching at the receiver side. So these are the basic parts of data communication. And next we can discuss about the network goals. So in the network goals, first we are studying about the resource sharing. So we are having different types of resources. So mainly we are organizing has a substantial number of computers in operation and which are located apart, and then we are sharing the resources from one person to another. So example, a group of office workers can share a common printer, fax, modem, scanner, etc. are example for resource sharing. And it is high reliability. So if there is an alternate source of supply, all the files could be replicated on two or more machines. If one of them is not available due to hardware failure, the other copies could be used. And we are having inter-process communication. So inter-process communication, the network users located geographically apart may converse in an interactive session through the network. In order to permit this, the network must provide almost error-free communications. And then next one is the flexible access. Files can be accessed from any computer in the network. The projects can begin on one computer and finished on the another one. And next one is the security. So computer network must be secure to protect against unauthorized access data and other security threats. This include implementing measures such as firewalls, antivirus software, and encryption to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of the data. And then we are having the performance. So computer network must provide high performance and low latency to ensure the application and services are responsive and available when needed. This requires optimizing network infrastructure, bandwidth utilization, and traffic management. Then we are having the scalability. So computer network must be designed to scale up or down as needed to accommodate changes in the number of users, devices, and data traffic. This requires careful planning and management to ensure the network can meet current and future